Did you know that a cluttered home can increase stress levels by up to 30%? Cluttered homes are a common issue affecting millions of people worldwide. The effects of clutter go beyond aesthetics, impacting mental health and productivity. In this video, we'll explore the world of quick home organization tips, focusing on the magic of Velcro. Velcro, a seemingly simple concept, has revolutionized the way we organize and store items. Imagine being able to effortlessly remove and reattach items without damaging surfaces or losing them. Velcro has been around since the 1950s, but its applications continue to grow. From storing family heirlooms to organizing office supplies, Velcro is a versatile tool. In this video, we'll delve into the benefits of using Velcro for home organization. But that's not the strangest part. The versatility of Velcro is just the beginning. Wait until you hear what comes next: a world where clutter becomes a thing of the past. Imagine being able to quickly and easily access items without the hassle of digging through clutter. This is where Velcro comes in, offering a convenient and stress-free solution. But how does it work? Let's break down the mechanism of Velcro. Velcro consists of two main components: a loop and a hook. The loop side is made up of small, soft loops that grab onto the hook side. When the two sides are pressed together, the loops grab onto the hooks, creating a secure hold. The benefits of using Velcro are numerous. It's easy to use, damage-free, and adjustable. Imagine being able to customize the size and strength of your Velcro to suit your needs. But that's not all. Velcro is also a great way to declutter and organize your home. By using Velcro to store items, you can keep your surfaces clear and your belongings organized. And then something unexpected happened. People started using Velcro in innovative ways. From DIY projects to home decor, the uses of Velcro are endless. You can use Velcro to create unique wall art, attach plants to walls, or even make your own furniture. But what does this mean for your home organization? Let's explore the impact of Velcro. By using Velcro, you can reduce clutter, increase productivity, and even improve your mental health. Real-world consequences of clutter are well documented, from decreased focus to increased stress levels. Velcro offers a convenient solution to these problems, making it an essential tool for home organization. But why should you care about Velcro? The benefits are numerous and well documented. By incorporating Velcro into your home organization routine, you can experience these benefits firsthand. So, what's the key takeaway from this video? Velcro is a game changer for home organization. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this and explore the world of quick home organization tips. Forget to like and comment below. Thanks for watching content. Forget to like and comment below. Love to hear your thoughts on the power of Velcro.